So we are going to do the part 2 of this theater problem right now. We're going to sell the seats. We sell the seats by two ways. You can by price. I want the $50 one. I want the seats is by under $100 seats. Okay, we're going to do that first. How do you do that? First of all, if if we have a sell by price, we need to have our chart for price for each seat. This is a price chart. We already have our price chart, right? This is our price chart. This is our price chart. Okay? So we already have price chart. And because the price chart is a 2D array, so each price actually have an index. So this $30 by this 2D dimension is 0, 0. Okay? Now, so anybody volunteer to tell me now? Please volunteer to tell me. How about this 0, 2? This 0, 2 is in this 0, 2 by index 0, 2. These indicate the price is how much? $50. Thank you, Diana. $50. How about here? 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, 4 is what? Is how much? Anybody? $20. Good. Now, let me ask you this. When you go to a theater, will you ask them, I want to, row number 0, seat number 0. Do you say that at the real life book a ticket? Yes or no? Probably not. Because in our real life, this is row 1. This is row 1. And from left to right, this is row 1. How we say this 50? How we say in real life, how do we describe this? This will be row 1 and the third seat. How do you say this? This 30. We will say this row 2 and the second seat. Do you understand? Alright, so we basically need to do this. User, if we sell by price, user will say $50. Okay. And alright, so we want to first check is if user gave us the right range. If they give a $100, you say sorry, we don't have 100. Error message, we don't have $100 seats, okay? It's the range from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, okay? If the price inside the range. Now the price inside the range right now. Okay, so good. Let's do a 2 for loop to find it. First, you need to search. The loop is you're going to search the first $50. So, for our example, we have several $50. For, in order to make it easy, I just have my one $50. Alright, so for this, I find it. This match that in the array C is 0, 2. 0, 2. But when you answer this, you say, I want to purchase the ticket for $50. You will not tell the customer, okay, your C is 0, 2. Instead of your +1 for that, you say your C is located at first row and the third C. Then we display that. So far, do you understand? Yes or no? Do you understand the logic behind this? Alright, so we are going to write the program right now by ourselves. Okay, so first, under this print C, alright, so after print C, okay, and we're going to do something called sell by price. How about that? the sell price. Okay, so gentlemen, ladies, let's first do the sell by price. It's okay. All right, let me coming right here. We say right here. Let me write down here, and it's a void, and I'm going to write here is sell and by price, right? All right. So when I have to use my array, because basically whatever you sell is based on this array, which has your sitting chart right there. Okay. So I want to sell by price. After I do that, I'm going to create my definition for that. I'm going to close here, go under to write it. Is that okay? I'm going to sell by price. So if I want to sell by price, I need a price. And the price right now is an integer. Sorry, okay? Normally can be better, will be a double, but right now it's price. Okay? And we also, based on that price, we're going to give you a row and a C number. Okay, so we're going to give you a row and we're going to give you a C number. Okay, based on like a first row, the third C number, something like that. Okay, then so we first will ask people, we ask input, enter the price of C you prefer. Okay, so okay, then they will tell me something. So they will input is a price. Okay, now they will tell me $50, $40, this and that. All right. So once you give me that, first we're going to go to the sitting chart to check whether we're going to check whether this seats is good right now. Okay, so you will give me like row 1 and C3. That sorry, no. You will give me sell by price. You will give me $50 or $40. It's something like you give me an a price, right? Based on that price, I'm going to say this right now. For integer, sorry. All right. So I'm going to search my own array. Okay. So my array is my row is 9 row. Sorry. All right. And I also have a column. Okay, I also need to go to column. So I'm going to write my column. All right. So once have that, right now I'm just going to put this Control X inside this. Okay. So normally I'm going to do 2D array. Need to have 2 for loop. So now you say you want to buy something $50. So let me go to my sitting chart to find out. Okay, go to my sitting chart to find out. So if tell you is if my seat I and J, if you find it, sorry, J. If you find out that C, all right, then by the way is seats. Okay, and if that's equal the price you gave me, if this equal the price you gave me, all right, then we're going to say this. So remember, you find out that 0 and 2, but we cannot say that. We don't sell you as, hey, your ticket is 0 and 2. Instead of you got your row number 1, first row, third C. So now your row need to equal I plus 1. All right. Then after that, your C number, your C number is also equal to J plus 1. All right, so I got your real C number, something else here. All right, and I'm going to do something here right now. So, and I'll tell you, hey, your C is at row, then I'm going to tell you is at the row, okay? Then I'm going to tell you a space and C and tell you which C. C is at C number, C number, okay? Then end of line. Okay, so that's your C. All right, then I also tell you the price right now. Okay, even though you probably know the price because you say I want to buy $50. Okay, but I'll tell you. Okay, your price uh of the C of that C. Okay, is, and we tell them that is that much. Okay. All right. So as soon as that C is sold, as soon as that C is sold, I am going to say seeds and that that seed, the same seed you sold it. Okay, the same seed you sold it. This C is going to assign 0 in that. So that's indicate that C will be sold. And we're going to stop searching, okay? Because you only purchase one C. Okay, majority people will purchase one C only, so we stop this. Okay, now, okay, that's when uh all right, and so uh if that's no C right here, you can say C out, and I think I will rather write this first. Okay, sorry, no C's found with the price. So once you find them, you know when no seats left, you tell them that once you search in, you see the no seat left. Sorry, come next time or whatever. Okay. All right. So when I finish that, I have to print seats. Print seats. And I want to print my seats. That's your function. Okay. All right. So this is part 2. Part 2, we sell the seeds by price, and we enter the price, and we search it. If after you search, there's no C left right now. Okay. All right. So that's sell by price. And for you to call these, you print C, right? You print C. Then you want to sell the by price, right? So over here, you just want to say these. We're not going to do 1, 2 yet. We're just going to make sure you sell by price is work first, okay? So we're going to say this, then later we fix. Sorry. We're going to say sell by price. So I only write like that, right? Sell by price. Okay, sell by price. All right, then after that, I print price again. It's okay. So to make sure, oh no, I don't need to. I already print price over here. I already print price here. So here, I print the C out. Then I sell the price, and I will print the seeds out one more time. It's okay. Let's run it right now. So let's build it. And I will start without debugging. All right. So I print the price. Now I want to buy the $50. But the first $50 is here. There are quite a lot $50. I'll buy the first $50 right here. And your C number is row 1C3. The price is $50. All right. So right here. Oh, your C is row 2C5. They give me another one, so I need to fix this right now. Okay. So I got this right now, and let me